Hello guys everyone, today I'm going to um, cover up the topic of ftplib in Python 3.6. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. It is a protocol by which we can transfer the file from one place to another. It is not the best way to send because it is not that secure, but usually everyone uses it. It is quite popular, but it is not the best way to send it if you have some confidential data to send. You can, rather than that, you can use secure shell, that is SSH, that will encrypt your data while sending from one place to another. So we will not be covering that today. We will just cover ftplib module, that will by you how we can grab any file from your domain and we can upload that file. Okay, and before starting, I will tell that I will not show any credentials in it. I will just show how you can make a program and grab your file and upload it. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will start. We will import, first of all, we will import the ftplib module. Here we will define the domain name, what domain name we want to access, and after that we will use the login inbuilt function to log in with FTP. And let's say we have a user with username, and pass wd will be the password that we need to log in. So after you log in with that credential, you will just reach your root directory of your domain name. And if you want to change your directory within your domain, you can just use ftpcwd. In your computer, it mainly means that current working directory, but maybe it is change working directory. I don't know what, but it helps to change your directory if you want to change your directory with like XYZ and ABC. Okay, whatever you want to change your directory within your domain. And after, so we have to make two functions over here. We have to perform two functions. First of all, we have to grab any file. If you want to grab any file from your domain, you will just make a new function that will be, we will just name grab. I'm sorry, it's grab. So let that name will file name will be file.text, and locally we have to just store that file. So we will use open with it. If you have seen my previous videos, I have just shown you how to make a new file or open a file with these functions and methods. So if you don't know, you can go over there and check it out. We'll just open and file name, write our binary. So now we have to retrieve the data. So it will be, the function will be retr. Binary. we will define the file name over here. After that, the local name store over there, that will be local. And after that, we will just show the buffer size, how much size you want to store that for a file. Maybe it will just store it in a byte form, so I will just store it 1024. It will approximately will be 1 megabyte. After this, we will be just quitting our FTP connection that we have established with your domain. So want to quit, we'll use quit function, and after it we will close our file. So we have grabbed the file from the domain, and we can use it in our computer, PCs, whatever we want. So after this, if you wanna, next step is if you wanna upload some file in your domain. So how can you use that? We have used write argument over here, the write binary, that will write the file, and so instead, if you wanna upload that file, you will use the read binary for it, and it is quite simple. If you wanna store any file, just name it store. File name will be file.txt ftp dot binary. So here we will just put the file name, and the name where we have stored it. So we will just use open, because we have not stored that particular thing in any variable. So we will just define over here file name. We want to perform read binary in it. So after that, we will just quit the FTP connection that we have established. So here we are just done with it. This is how we will just upload the file. It's quite simple over here. This function will just upload the file, and this will just grab it from your domain and store it in your PC. So I will not just I will not make it run, because the credentials that I have provided is not like correct. It is just an example to show you. So if you want to use, you can just put your credentials over here and check it out. So thanks for watching, and if you have any comments and any requests that you want me to make any videos on some particular module or something in Python, or some security issues or questions you want to ask, you can just comment it down. And thanks for watching.